Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Next, second question from Bharatavarsha geographical features. The river that divides India into two equal parts. ಸೊ ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ನದಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Second question from Bharatavarsha geographical features of India. The river that divides India into two equal parts. ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ನದಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so India, the river divides India into two equal parts is options are option A Yamuna river, option B Ganga river, option C Indus river, and option D Narmada river. The correct answer is Narmada river. You can see in the picture here, Narmada river divides India into two parts. Okay. Thank you. Option D, Narmada river is the correct answer. Thank you.